Welcome to our latest video where we bring you the top 5 best drone on Aliexpress under $20. Whether you're a beginner looking to get into the world of aerial photography or an experienced pilot on a budget, we've got you covered with some incredible options that won't break the bank. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of affordable drones together. All the links are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell. Let's go! Introducing the Lenovo P18 GPS Drone, equipped with the latest technology to elevate your drone flying experience to new heights. Featuring an 8K HD triple camera, optical flow positioning, and intelligent obstacle avoidance system prevent collisions and explosion, this drone lets you capture stunning aerial photographs and videos with unparalleled clarity. With functionalities like up-down, front-back, left-right turn, lateral flight, headless mode, and height-hold mode, you have full control over the drone's movements for precise and smooth flights. Experience the thrill of real-time FPV with the Lenovo P18's Wi-Fi FPV capability, along with the dual lens and manual lens adjustment function, allowing you to switch between different lens modes effortlessly. Compact yet powerful, this drone boasts a size of 12 cm into 12 cm into 7 cm, making it the perfect companion for capturing stunning aerial footage anywhere, anytime. Designed for pilots aged 14 and above, this drone comes with a 4G frequency remote control powered by AAA batteries for seamless connectivity and control. Equipped with a 716 hollow cup motor and boasting lens pixels of up to 8K, the Lenovo P18 ensures smooth and stable flights while delivering crystal clear images and videos. This drone has 5 rating and 140 plus units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Lenovo P18 GPS Drone, where innovation meets adventure. Elevate your drone flying experience today. Introducing the E58 RC Drone, your gateway to a world of aerial exploration and entertainment. Compact, portable, and powerful, the E58 RC Drone is designed for enthusiasts of all levels. With its Wi-Fi FPV capability, you can experience the thrill of real-time aerial photography and videography like never before. Capture every moment in crystal clear detail with the E58's high-definition camera, whether you're exploring scenic landscapes or recording your adventurous stunts. Say goodbye to shaky footage. With altitude hold, the E58 RC Drone maintains a steady altitude for professional-looking videos and photos every time. Take control like never before with the intuitive app control feature. Maneuver your drone with ease and precision using your smartphone or tablet. Worried about obstacles in your flight path? Fear not. The E58 RC Drone's advanced obstacle avoidance technology ensures a safe and smooth flying experience. No need to worry about losing your drone. The auto return feature brings your E58 RC Drone back to you with just a tap of a button. This drone has 4.5 rating and 500 plus units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Experience endless fun and excitement with the E58 RC Drone, the perfect gift for drone enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Get your hands on the E58 RC Drone today and elevate your aerial adventures to new heights. Introducing the P10 Drone, your ultimate flying companion equipped with cutting-edge features to capture breathtaking moments from above. Let's dive into the astounding features of the P10 Drone that set it apart from the rest. Equipped with a high-definition 4K camera and Wi-Fi FPV, the P10 Drone ensures crystal clear aerial shots and real-time transmission right to your mobile device. The P10 Drone features foldable arms for easy portability, making it your perfect travel companion wherever your adventures take you. Experience intelligent obstacle avoidance on the front, left, and right sides, ensuring a safe and seamless flight experience every time. Enjoy the convenience of headless mode, one-click takeoff or landing or return, and a built-in 8K pixel camera for capturing stunning visuals from the sky. Engage in immersive VR 3D experiences and effortlessly create captivating MV productions with the P10 Drone's cutting-edge technology. Seamlessly draw flight paths on your screen and watch as the P10 Drone autonomously navigates along the designated route with precision and accuracy. With a 3.7 volts 1800 mAh modular battery, enjoy up to 10 minutes of continuous flight time, ensuring you never miss a moment of aerial exploration. This drone has 4.3 rating and 1,000 plus units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your aerial adventures with the P10 Drone, where innovation meets performance and creativity takes flight. Get your P10 Drone today and capture the world from a whole new perspective. Introducing the S6 Max Drone, the ultimate companion for capturing stunning visuals with ease. With an 8K professional 4K HD camera, the S6 Max Drone lets you capture every detail in stunning clarity. From 4K to 8K video recording, This drone ensures that your footage is nothing short of breathtaking. Say goodbye to obstacles getting in the way of your photography sessions. The S6 Max drone comes equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring smooth and safe aerial photography every time. Its foldable design makes it convenient to carry around, perfect for on-the-go adventurers and travel enthusiasts. Thanks to its GPS positioning mode, the S6 Max drone offers precise and stable flight control, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot. Connect the S6 Max drone to your smartphone via the 5G Wi-Fi function and experience seamless real-time transmission of photos and videos. Share your adventures instantly with friends and family. With a 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance of up to 5,000 meters, the sky is no longer the limit. Explore the world from above and unlock endless possibilities with the S6 Max drone. This drone has 4.4 rating and 5,000 plus units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. S6 Max drone, elevate your perspective and capture moments like never before. Get yours today and soar to new heights. Introducing the Lenovo P11 Pro, the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage with unrivaled precision and clarity. The Lenovo P11 Pro is equipped with a GPS system that ensures stable flight performance, making it the perfect companion for professional aerial photography. Featuring an impressive 8K HD camera, 4-way intelligent obstacle avoidance, and foldable quadcopter design, the Lenovo P11 Pro is built to capture every moment with unparalleled detail. With advanced features like altitude setting, optical flow localization, and brushless motors, this drone offers a seamless and intuitive flying experience. The self-stabilizing electronic image stabilization lens ensures smooth and steady footage, while the 5G high-frequency image transmission technology delivers real-time video streaming up to 150 meters away. Take control of your aerial adventures with the ergonomic remote control, featuring adjustable camera angles and gesture recognition for easy operation within a 150-meter range. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a photography enthusiast looking to explore new horizons, the Lenovo P11 Pro is the perfect companion for capturing breathtaking moments from the sky. This drone has 5 rating and 800 plus units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your perspective with the Lenovo P11 Pro. Order yours today and start capturing the world from a whole new angle. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.